What's up? Happy Friday. Today, we are not able to actually do anything on the boat because we're still waiting for the tank, so we are going to be doing something a little bit different. It is an unboxing. Roll the intro. So today we are going to take a look at the Dual Action Polisher from Shurhold. I'm pretty excited to use this on the boat actually, but that's a little bit of a ways away. We've got a lot of, work that we need to do before we're ready to start using these cleaning products on the boat. So I figured we could do an unboxing and go over what's in this product and stuff like that because, we can just get into it because that's what you do here on YouTube, right? Is unboxing videos. So let's take a look at the Dual Action Pro Polisher. And this is the bonus pack that includes Pro Polish pad, and a microfiber towel. So let's take a look. Oh wait, hang on. It also includes Dual Action Polisher with a 20-foot power cord, which I love to see, and a GFCI adapter, so that when you're working around the water, if you drop it in the water, you can not shock yourself. What else we got? We've got, scan here to see it in action. Ooh, we have QR codes. I love QR codes. Let's see. Obviously, QR codes are my favorite. Don't worry, this one just takes you to the channel. All right, let's see what this QR code takes us to. Takes us to the polisher. Takes us to a storefront, some reviews, and down here at the bottom, we have a few videos of seeing it in action. Cool, love to see that. Love instructional videos, because I don't like reading. No swirl or brush marks. Waxes and polishes in half the time. Great for boats, cars, and other vehicles. We will put that to the test because I have a boat, I've got a truck, and I've got a motorcycle that also needs polishing too. A lot of my stuff needs polishing. So cool. 8mm orbit. Let's get into it, open it up. Ooh, yes. We have a tool bag that everything comes in. That I love. Here, put that box down there. With tools, I love bags. That's a good thing. A couple of D-rings on there, a couple of pockets. Good, good, good. Decent quality, not too shabby. All right, now let's take a look and see what we have inside. We have the Shurhold, really nice microfiber cloth. Okay, we have the Pro Polish polishing pad. They make different polishing pads for this, for whatever you're working with. If you have some of their Buff Magic, they have Buff Magic pads and stuff like that. Let's see what else we got here. We've got some Pro Polish, always good. Pro Polish, gotta love that. Boom, put that right there. Then we have a little accessories pack. We'll get into this in a second. And the polisher itself. Let's take some of that plastic off there. We see the bag, we know there's a bag. I'll put this away. That way we can see what we're working with here. Alrighty. So, we have, the polisher. Cool, pretty decent grip on there. There's a little rubberized grip texture right here. Little finger holding, and here, it looks like we have some handle attachments and stuff like that for the polisher. Love it. 20-foot cable. And let's get into this. We have our tools to either change out the rotor, I guess, or change out the little Velcro part, this little pad. I don't know what to call that. If that's a pad or if that's the thing that attaches to the pad, this thing, that thing. So we've got a little wrench for that. We've got some bolts in here that are probably for mounting some stuff. GFI plug, good, good, good. Set that right there. Ooh, look at that. We have some literature in here. That's cool, awesome. I will read that later. Because I like to play with things. Warranty stuff, good, good. Love warranties, and then the handles. These are, so we've got Allen keys in here. Let's see, let's just take a look at all the hardware. We've got our wrench, cool. These go to this. These are the mounting bolts that go to this style of handle. So there's two styles of handle. We have a yoke right here. Let me take those out of there. So we've got a yoke attachment right here that goes to either side where you can, you know, get a hand behind it. Or we have a side handle right here. And I think these plastic things, little plugs, come out. Easy peasy, pretty good. All right, bing, bang, boom. Good, good, good. With, let's see. I actually like to have my hand behind it, so I think I'm gonna put the yoke attachment on. Let's see, which way do I want this oriented? Does it matter? I don't think so. Get it lined up to those there's little ridges, there's little dots and ridges in there that line up to little ridges here in the polisher itself. So that way you can go to a few different positions before you tighten it down all the way. And then we can, oh yeah, see, bump, bump, bump. I don't know who would do that. Bump. That sounds silly. What do you think? Here? No, I like that canted forward look. That's a good feeling. Man, with all this cleaning stuff, I should have a cleaner boat. That's how it always goes, huh? Get all the tools, now you gotta do the work. But these things make it pretty easy. Okay, and then your little pad just pops right on there. Boop, boop, boop. And away you go. Let's fire it up. Okay, so this polisher has 6 speeds. Woo! That's fast. Okay. Also, it looks like they throw in a couple of these little motor brushes in case you need to repair the motor. They are user repairable, and they send you the parts with the polisher, which is pretty awesome because all electric motors eventually need 1 or 2 of these replaced. So that's pretty neat. I'm gonna keep these down here in the bag, along with these tools. And yeah, we'll throw that back down there in the bag. So yeah, we have our polisher. Okay, stand up, cool. Pro Polish, smells nice. Gotta love that. These GFI adapters, if you didn't know, when working around the water, you can get electrocuted if you have an outlet down close to the water and it doesn't already have a GFI on it. That's a little weird. But maybe you're running like a power cord or you're off of a generator or something like that. This will make sure that you don't get shocked if you drop it in the water. Pretty nice. Like to see it. Amazing microfiber cloth. Is this sealed? It is sealed. So when I said it smelled good, I didn't know what I was talking about. There's a little red cap in there. I actually prefer that over, oh, it does smell good. Yeah, it does. That's a good smell. It's like, I don't know, you know how different waxes, like the carnauba wax and all that kind of stuff has a good smell to it. This has a, that smells good. That smells clean. I like this little red cap thing because you can reuse it. That's pretty neat. Yeah, nothing earth-shattering, but pretty cool. I don't know what else to say other than I think we need to test it out. I think we're gonna need to get this on a boat, get it actually onto some paint and stuff like that and see it work. But that is going to come in the full review. This was just a first impressions and some takeaways here. I'll leave a link below to where you can find these polishers and stuff like that. Stay tuned for the full review. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as soon as that video is out, you will be the first to know. See you next week. I don't know why I keep slamming the table. It's like a metronome in my head. But yeah, I did it again. It's unconscious. We'll see you next time.